The sun is out, it's a gorgeous day, which is just as well, because today the boys are going camping. Finally got here, nice little campsite called Oakney. When they said that there was horses around here, they weren't joking. I have seen more horses in the last mile than I have in my entire life. Kill or cure this weekend, I reckon. Pretty much all set up now. Time for a cup of tea.
I think rigor mortis is setting in my arse.
Look at that, we've been here 5 minutes, look at the state of the place. En route to go off and have a pee after we've had our dinner. I'm being brave. All these horses about and I'm walking around on my own. Nutter. When it's all said and done with the horses, Steve's really chose well here. It's a lovely camp. Morning campers, morning after the first night. Mixed emotions about how that went. Someone snoring, road noise, but one of us slept alright. How was it for you, Barry?
It was absolutely blindingly. It's really nice. I don't actually know which was the loudest, the road or the snoring. Very close actually.
Got up this morning, got a couple of visitors. All packed up and we're off. Just another 12 more miles to go. A couple of cream teas and a toasted tea cake. Now we're back on the journey. Got about 3.5 miles to go. Slight change of terrain now. Walking along a cycle path. Hopefully this will take us closer to the campsite. Here's as good a place as any for a cup of tea. See, after the walk we've done, I think we deserve it. What better way to get rid of stiffness and fatigue than go on another walk? Sunday morning, we've all had a pretty tough night. We're going to do the first leg of the walk and then see how we go. About riding into town. Which horse do you want, Barry? Got to be honest, this is still a beautiful place with beautiful scenery, but now it's more of an endurance battle. Really nice, we just got back past the gatehouse. They've all got ice pops for us all as a congratulations for making the journey. Made it, done good time as well. You're right.
He's proper paraplegic. He's actually lifting his head up. Oh, this walking lark's really good.